Today, I'll walk you through how to set resolution the easy way, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust the resolution settings in your Jira dashboard so you can streamline your workflow and enhance your project management experience. First, let's get started by opening your Jira dashboard. This is your central hub for managing tasks and projects. Take a moment to locate the dashboard on your screen. It should be the first thing you see when you log in. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to go to the settings. Look for the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Jira experience. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The settings are generally in the same location. Now that you're in the settings, click on Work Items. This section allows you to manage different elements related to your tasks and projects. It's like opening a toolbox where you can find all the tools you need to build your project. After that, you'll want to click on Work Items attribute. This option will lead you to the attributes that you can modify for your work items. Think of it as selecting the features you want for your project tools. Under the attributes, choose Resolution. This is where you can define what resolution means for your work items, such as completed tasks or issues that need to be addressed. Next, it's time to add a new resolution. Click on the option that allows you to create a new resolution. Here, you can enter terms like finished, won't do, or duplicate. These terms will help you categorize the status of your work items effectively. It's similar to labeling boxes in a storage room to keep everything organized. Once you've entered your desired resolutions, click Add. This final step will save your new resolution settings, making them available for use in your projects. And there you have it. You've successfully set the resolution in Jira the easy way. Remember, adjusting these settings can greatly improve how you track and manage your tasks. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.